Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I'm Mr. Kadim Khan and I'm a lecturer in the Institute of Computing, Kuwait University of Science and Technology. Dear student, this is lab 4 for yourself. In this lab, you will study the Windows 10 basic usage. Here you have to perform the practices on the Windows 10. So this is the introduction to computing lab 4. First of all, here in this lab, you need to learn the basic usage of Windows 10, and then I will provide some detailed usage of Windows 10 functionalities. That what are the important functions that you must be aware of Windows 10. These are 10 basic functions of Windows 10. Exploring the start menus, searching the computers in Windows 10, exploring store apps in Windows 10, Windows 10 navigations, working with the desktops in Windows 10, managing files and folders with file explorers in Windows 10, using Microsoft Edge, which is the web browser in Windows 10, changing basic Windows settings. This is very much important for you. Then customizing desktops, this is also very much important, and more functions are in, you can customize your desktops, and at the end we have configuration passwords in Windows 10. So first you need to explore the start menus. This is the start menus. You need to explore that what are different operations here, for example how this icons works and what is the functionality behind each icons here. Similarly, you can see that there are also another icons. So each and every icons have certain applications behind. So you need to study this start menus for your practice purpose in Windows 10. Secondly, you need to search the computers. So how you will search? So there is a text box here in the bottom section of the Windows desktops. So just type any word or any software name here and press enter. Then this software will be listed here. Even if you start typing, then this software will be provided here, or any other document you want to search in Windows 10, then it will be provided here. So this is very good feature in Windows 10 that you can search quite easily any document or a software installed in your computer. Next one is Windows Store apps. Windows Store apps contains different applications that are available in the Windows stores, and you can download them if you have Microsoft account with yourself. So here when you click on the Windows stores, then you can download easily all these apps, and these are very much important and beneficial apps for you. The next ad is Windows 10 navigations. This is task view. When you click, you can see multiple applications that are running in the Windows. So for example, this is the Chrome, which is running behind, and also you have the Microsoft Words. And similarly, if you have any printing documents open, that will be available for you here. So just when you click on this task views, then all these applications that you have opened will be available here. Working with desktop windows. Now here you need to work with all the components of the Windows on your desktops. So for example, recycle bins, folders, my computer, etc. All these will be available here. So you need to search out and you need to explore each and every icons on that desktops. Managing the files and folders with file explorers. When you click on the My Computers in Windows 10, then you will see different files and folders and drives here. For example, there are 3 or 4 drives, and there are also multiple files here. So when you click, you can open that particular files and folders. So how you can manage them? You have, for example, frequent folders. That means that those folders which you have mostly used, recent files, etc., and others files and folders available on your left sides of the pen. So this is very much important that you have the skills to use different files and folders, how you will manage this file and folder, how you will put passwords over these files and folders. So it's very much important. You should learn these skills through yourselves. Using Microsoft Edge. Microsoft Edge is in fact exactly like the web browsers, and this will help you to search the web. So this is a web browser in Windows 10. So when you type any URL here, it will be navigatable here, and you will be able to show different contents at that particular websites. When you search out multiple websites, then all these websites options will be available here, and you you just click on that particular icon to view that particular websites. Next is very much important task is Windows 10 setting. So in the 8th task, you have to search out the settings of the Windows, that is system settings, device settings, network and internet setting, personalization, accounts, and times and languages. This is exactly like the control panels in the previous Windows. So in the Windows 10, we have called control panel as like the settings. This is Windows desktop settings. When you want to set your desktop, so for this purpose, you will go to the system, and here there you will find the settings. You can change the background, you can change colors, you can lock the screens, you can change the theme, font, and start and taskbars. So all these settings are available here. And at the end, we have the configuration passwords, means that you can change the password of your account. So for this purpose, you will go to the user account in the settings, then you will click on make changes to my account PC settings, and then you will change the passwords. It's an account name and passwords here. So these are different features you must have to use here, so that you may be able to become an expert in the Windows. And this is the book for Windows 10. If you want to study about the Windows, so step by step Windows 10, written by John Lambert and Steve Lambert. So you should download and study this book. And also, if you have any question, you can ask the question through the email m.kadim@kust.edu.pk is my email. I will wait for your question and will respond soon. Dear students, this is just about your self-practice, so there is no such details in these slides, or just you have to do it yourself. Thank you very much.